Diversity in the field of marine science, and every field for that matter, is super important because science needs everybody to succeed.
Minorities in Shark Sciences is an organization dedicated to supporting women of color in shark sciences. The main purpose of our organization is to create a sense of community among women of color in their pursuit of shark science.
Hey guys, my name is Carly Jackson. I am one of the co-founders of MISS and also the Director of Communications. I just graduated this past summer with my master's in marine science from Nova Southeastern University and currently work at Gumbo Limbo Nature Center with sea turtles. I would like to see more diversity in people and in minds in the field of marine conservation. Some ways that you can support diversity in marine conservation is pushing and asking other organizations to reach out to more diverse communities, providing paid internships and paid opportunities where people can come in and learn more about marine conservation. Also, I believe supporting organizations similar to MISS that are trying to bring more diversity into different fields of marine science is a wonderful way to support diversity in marine conservation.
Hello, my name is Jada Alcock. I am a co-founder of MISS. I am also the Director of Public Relations at MISS, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Washington in the School of Aquatic and Fishery Sciences, and I'm working towards a PhD. I want to work in shark conservation because I want to help make a difference. There are so many different endangered shark species out there, and for a lot of them, we don't know much about movement ecology, habitat use, and that makes it incredibly difficult to make management decisions that will actually help protect them. Why do we need to protect them? Because they are essential pieces of our ocean's food webs. Some are mid-level predators, some are top predators, some are keystone species, and all of them are super important to maintain the health of our ocean ecosystem. So, that's why I study sharks, and that's why everyone should study sharks.
Hi everyone, my name is Amani Weber-Schultz. I am the Chief Financial Officer of Minorities in Shark Sciences. I graduated from Rutgers in May of 2020 with a Bachelor of Science in Marine Science, and I did a minor in Fishery Science. So why is there a lack of diversity in shark science? So the first one for me is the financial burden of getting into shark science. There's not a lot of paid opportunities in shark science, and if you're not in a financial place where you can pay for an opportunity or relocate and not work for a period of time, it's really hard to get your foot in the door. The second is dealing with discrimination in the workplace. And the last one is not seeing minorities on things like Shark Week or in documentaries. When you're a kid, you see all these people doing all of these different careers, and when you see someone who looks like you, it kind of gives you this validation that, oh, I can definitely do that career if I want to. But if you don't, then it's a lot harder. And so we really need to make sure that minority shark scientists are being put out there so that young kids can see them succeeding and think, oh, I can go into shark science if I want to.
What we have planned this year for MISS are opportunities for not only students to attend these workshops, but also for us to come and support people as they do internships with some of our partner institutions. So we'll be providing scholarships to cover the costs of internships at Bimini Shark Lab as well as Oceans Research in South Africa. And these will be really unique opportunities for students to get this research experience, but not have to worry about the financial barriers that exist. We're currently raising money to be able to do a summer camp for middle schoolers and high schoolers. And so we're really hoping to expand our programming to include the younger generation so that we can work to get people excited about shark science and marine science at an early age. Students who participate in our workshop will get some experience on a research vessel. You'll also get to see firsthand how shark tagging works and learn how to handle sharks and all of the equipment that we use to fish for sharks. In addition, after our long day in the field, we'll have opportunities to network and socialize and get to know each other and do some professional development so you can learn the tools that you need to succeed in shark science. People can support MISS by amplifying our voices and our missions, acting as allies and advocates for women of color and other marginalized groups in science. You can also donate by visiting our website.
for those of you that are joining the field, here's what I got for you. Network like crazy, because all these connections are going to be super, super helpful along the way. Be yourself and believe in yourself, because you worked hard to get here. You absolutely belong here. Don't forget to have fun. Super important message there. And welcome to the field. We're excited to have you.